online, and one platform that consistently stands out is Amazon. With its vast reach, diverse product offerings, and multiple income streams, Amazon has become a lucrative platform for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-time business, Amazon offers a plethora of ways to earn money. In this video, we'll explore various avenues for earning with Amazon and provide tips on how to succeed in this competitive marketplace. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative videos. Selling products on Amazon. One of the most popular ways to earn money on Amazon is by becoming a seller. Amazon allows individuals and businesses to list and sell products on its platform through two primary programs. A. Amazon Seller Central. This program is designed for individual sellers who want to list their products on Amazon. You can sell both new and used items, and Amazon provides tools and resources to help you manage your listings, fulfill orders, and reach a wide customer base. B. Amazon Vendor Central. For businesses looking to wholesale their products to Amazon, Vendor Central is the way to go. Amazon purchases products directly from vendors and manages the entire selling process, including marketing and customer service. To succeed as a seller on Amazon, you should research your niche, optimize your product listings, provide excellent customer service, and monitor your competition to stay competitive. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, is a program that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon takes care of order processing, packing, and shipping, as well as customer service and returns. This program can save you time and allow you to reach prime customers, which can boost your sales. To make FBA work for you, ensure your products are properly prepared and packaged, monitor your inventory levels, and factor in the FBA fees in your pricing strategy. Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. If you're a writer or have a passion for publishing, Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, offers a platform to self-publish ebooks and paperbacks. You retain control over your work and can earn royalties on sales. It's a great way to share your expertise or creative writing with a global audience. To succeed with KDP, focus on quality content, optimize your book's title and description, and utilize promotional tools provided by Amazon. Amazon Associates Program. The Amazon Associates Program allows website owners and bloggers to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. You can place Amazon affiliate links on your website, and when visitors make purchases through those links, you earn a percentage of the sale. To maximize your earnings as an Amazon affiliate, choose products relevant to your audience, create engaging content, and disclose your affiliate relationships to your readers. Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon enables artists and designers to create custom t-shirt designs and sell them on Amazon. You upload your designs, set your prices, and Amazon handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. To succeed with Merch by Amazon, focus on creating unique and appealing designs, use keywords in your product titles and descriptions, and promote your products through social media and other marketing channels.